everyone, here we are at the EICMA International Motorcycle Show in Milan, Italy, and I'm here to talk about the team of riders that I will be taking with me to the Africa Eco Race in January 2020. Selecting the riders was quite easy for me because it's those riders that were most significantly involved in races to places that I raced with on my journey. So they are riders I raced with, they might have helped me, I might have stayed at their house, raced with them, they helped me at a race particularly, and they've all got an interesting story. So let's start with the first rider. Obviously there's myself, I'm racing on the team. Some people have been asking me, are you just managing the team? No, I'm going to be racing with the team as well. But the first rider that I selected to come with me is YUJI SHINOHARA from Japan. YUJI raced with me in Rally Mongolia. He was instrumental in helping me to get through the difficulties I had in Rally Mongolia. I then visited him in Japan, and he came and raced with me in the Baja Rally in 2015 also.
Hello, I'm YUJI SHINOHARA from Japan. The first time I met my mate Lyndon Poskitt was Rally Mongolia 2013. After that, when he came to Japan, I traveled and camped together and had a good time. It's very good memories. Aiming for Dakar is a dream for every rally riders, also me. It was my dream. I guess the Dakar is there next to the Lacrosse. I can't wait now.
The next rider is Mike Johnson from the United States. Mike Johnson raced with me in the Sonora Rally. He's the man behind the rally computer, the Rallycom, that many USA rallies use as a navigational device for racing. He's a really passionate racer. I raced neck and neck with him. We've had some battles in the Sonora Rally that I'll never forget, and I also stayed at his house on Races to Places in Texas, USA.
Hi, my name is Mike Johnson. I met Lyndon Poskitt at the 2016 Sonora Rally. We ended up chasing each other around the dunes for a few days, formed a friendship, and we've been great friends ever since. Memorable moment with Lyndon was in the 2016 Sonora Rally. On one of the stages, we chased each other around in the dunes virtually all day long, exchanging positions. And coming into the finish line, I was ahead. Lyndon comes blowing by me and just totally roosts the heck out of me coming into the finish. And then, of course, in Lyndon's good spirit, he apologized at the finish line. I'd been looking forward to doing this event for a long time. I'd been talking to Lyndon about it. I know he's been looking forward to doing this for several years. I think he was waiting for the event to mature, and as part of his finale to his round the world trip, he had this great idea to put together this team, people he met around the world on his trip, and good friends he developed, and I'm really pumped to be a part of it. I'm really excited that Lyndon chose me to be part of this team, and I'm really stoked to be involved.
The next rider is Joey Evans. Joey has an incredible story. He was injured in a motorcycle accident which left him without the use of his legs. He worked through many challenges and came back to ride a motorcycle, and not only ride a motorcycle but to race the Dakar. He went to race the Dakar. I met him on that race in 2017. And just through all his struggles, I became really good friends with him. And when I was in South Africa, he's from South Africa, when I was in South Africa, I stayed at his home and made really good friends with his family. And he's another rider that's coming along with us.
Hi, I'm Joey Evans from Johannesburg, South Africa, and I first met Lyndon at the Dakar Rally in 2017, where we were both part of the Dakar Heroes program for YouTube, where they had the little GoPro cameras and stuff, where I recorded a lot of things riding through the mountains and the deserts and stuff, and Lyndon recorded taking a dump in the middle of nowhere. So we all have our priorities, but I'm super excited to be on the team for the Africa Eco Race, and I'm really looking forward to it. I'm certainly not a top-end rider, so if you want to look for me on the results, you're going to have to scroll down a bit to see my name down the bottom there somewhere, but I'm looking forward to it. Dakar for me was the end of a 10-year journey from being paralyzed in 2007 to completing the Dakar Rally, which was one of my goals. I wrote a book about it afterwards called From Para to Dakar. And I don't think we're going to get another book out of this one, but I certainly hope to add a good few chapters to my story. So we're looking forward to seeing you guys there, and I hope you follow along.
And the final rider is RAAFF from South Africa again. And the interesting story with Greg is I've known him for some years. He's had rally bikes for years. And when I went to South Africa and I raced in the Kalahari rally in South Africa, I had an incident with my bike where I broke my swing arm. And at that time, he was having a particularly rough day at that race because he was laid up in hospital, and he gave me his swing arm from his bike to finish the race. So without Greg, I wouldn't have finished the Kalahari rally. And he's gone through a lot of recovery since his injury, and it'll be his first race back since that injury. I'm delighted to have Greg RAAFF on the team also.
Hi, my name is Greg RAAFF and I'm from Durban in South Africa. I got to know Lyndon on this Africa leg of Races to Places, and we rode together in the Kalahari Rally in 2018. I unfortunately had a big crash on day 2 and crushed my right foot and scapula, injuries I'm still recovering from some 11 months later. Anyway, my misfortune proved to be a bonus for Lyndon and Basil bike when the buggers stole the swing arm off my 450 RFR Sebastian to allow them to finish the race, which was really great to follow from my hospital bed. I've always wanted to do the real race to Dakar, and to have the opportunity to do so with both Joey and Lyndon as part of the Races to Places team is just an unbelievable dream. I am racing against time to fully recover and get some decent training in, but I'm determined to get there, even if only to be the team's best water carrier and sweeper. We'll keep you posted.
It's going to be a big challenge getting everything ready, and myself as well managing the team. It's been a whole new experience, but I can't wait to take you along with us. For the media project, we need your help. Sign up, grab yourself a jacket, a piece of merchandise, or even a piece of roadbook from the race. The Kickstarter project is purely to fund the media side of the project. So us going and doing the race is not going to change. We're funded, we're going to do the race. The riders have funded themselves, but for the Kickstarter project, we need your help to bring the media alive. 20-minute daily video series, and we look forward to bringing it to you live from the team every day. Cheers.